Hi YouTube! Today I'm doing my summer favorites video. Normally I talk about all things luxury in life, be it fashion, travel, or lifestyle. And today I'm doing my summer favorites, which is a mix of luxury and non-luxury items. And I'm probably going to be putting pictures up to see if that looks a little bit better in the video today. So with that, let's get into it! So first I want to start with my favorite summer accessory, and that is my Sunski sunglasses. I have these in so many different colors and styles, but I just love these. They are absolutely fantastic, and they're at a really good price. These are at a really good price point where I feel comfortable doing all types of outdoors things, running around, not concerned that if they break I'm going to cry like I would with Ray-Bans or luxury sunglasses, but they're still at a good price point where they are a very nice quality sunglass. So I will do a video actually next talking all about Sunskis and why I think that you should get them. But my SLG that I've been using the most for the summer is actually my Tory Burch card holder with the tin card slots and the zip. And I have loved this thing because I can just throw it in my pocket and it has everything that I need in it. And it also fits really well in smaller bags or in just small spaces. So I think this is a really, really great one to get, or really any of the luxury styles that are like this. It has been fantastic for this summer. Now, for summer clothing, I have a couple of things that I've really worn a lot. First is going to be this cover up, and I have loved this because it goes so well over one pieces, over bikinis. It has this really cute cinched waist. It keeps me covered so like my skin doesn't get overly cool, while also not making my skin overly hot either, because it's a really just sort of nice sheer fabric. But I absolutely love this. I got to go to Hawaii. Great purchase. Then the other thing that I have really worn just all the time this summer is my Madewell tank tops. I have it in white and gray. They also make a black in it, but I don't really think that I necessarily wear the black as much. But these go between $10 to $18. You can find them on sale or not, either on Nordstrom or on Madewell's site. They're absolutely fantastic. Now, as far as bags for this summer, my favorite bag that I've been carrying is my new baby, and that is the Lady Dior. And I get so many compliments on that bag. The Lady is probably my new favorite. Now, as far as jewelry is concerned, I go pretty minimal with jewelry in the summer, and the piece that I've been wearing the most are my Zapata earrings that I'm wearing right now. I've had these for years. If they are still available, I will put a link in the description, as I'll also be linking everything else that I've talked about. And then when it comes to shoes, there is a pair of shoes that I basically just live in every summer, and that is my bronze Birkenstocks. I love these things because the color just goes with everything casual, and I go super casual in the summer. Like, I'm normally just in shorts and some type of a t-shirt, and a lot of times it's just athletic shorts, or I'm in a really casual dress, and these are perfect to just slip on with anything. And then finally, for entertainment this summer, the thing that I've just loved getting to do is getting to sit out by the pool and read a book. And the book that has just captured me and that I could not put down is Verity by Colleen Hoover. This is such a great like pool or beach read. And basically there's this woman, she's an author, she gets hired to finish the novel series of a very successful writer, and moves into the successful writer's family home and ends up finding out a very sort of creepy mystery. And like at the end of the book, you're still left kind of wondering what was actually the truth, what was the lie. And it's a really, really fun debate to get to have. So if any of you guys have read this book, I would love to know which team you are on as far as what we think is the truth most of the book, or what might be the truth at the end of the book. So I thank you for joining me for my little summer favorites video. I like to do this every season, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, YouTube. Bye!